The said affidavit does not disclose compelling reason to warrant denial of bail or bond to the accused person's hearing. In the sum, for the foregoing reasons, I find that the notice of motion dated 20th of July is not merited for the reason that the prosecution has not established compelling reason to warrant denial of bail or bond to any of the accused person's hearing. What then remains for determination is the bail and bond terms, taking into consideration the nature of charge, presumption of innocence notwithstanding. I consider the following terms reasonable. Each of the 7 accused persons is granted bond of Kenya shillings 200,000 with one surety of the same amount, with alternative cash bail of Kenya shillings 100,000 with one contact person. Orders accordingly. We are going to have a break. I'll be back in a short while for the other cases. We meet on Tuesday.
It's wrong.